Hi everyone, so let's talk about the another part of introduction to Six Sigma, green belt I'm talking about here. So what do you mean by Six Sigma? So this basically includes the meaning which shows that it is a defined and a disciplined business methodology to increase the customer satisfaction and profitability, improving quality and eliminating defects. As you know that we're talking about a process, so in a process how Six Sigma work is that it is beneficial for a process to be followed in it is a sort of business methodology, right? So which helps in any process to work it better and gains a customer satisfaction and of course the profitability. So Six Sigma classical and Six Sigma view, so we have two different views here. So we have views on quality, that is it shows only 99% defect free product or service. So it shows 99.999966% good. So this is the Six Sigma. If it is applied, then this should be the result. If this is not applied, then only 99% is there. So if I'm taking about the example here, I'm talking about 1000 defective bulbs manufactured, suppose, without Six Sigma, and with Six Sigma 8 defected bulbs per hour is produced. So this is 1000 defected bulbs manufactured per hour, right? So what is Sigma actually? So Sigma includes two different terminologies or anecdotes. Here it is showing as a standard deviation. So standard deviation is nothing but the variation in a process. Suppose we have this value, right? So we have 80%. So average accuracy score is 80%, and standard deviation means what is the basic deviation in the process. We'll discuss that later in coming videos. So this is here as plus 5%, minus 5%. So that means one is 75% and one is 85%, because it is showing the standard deviation. That what is the deviation between the processes is just 5%. So that's here we included this one. Another point I'm talking about is the second definition, that is process capability. So higher the capability, lower will be the defects. So process is how much capable. This leads to the Six Sigma valid. What does it mean? Six Sigma is actually means 3.4 defects in 1 million opportunity. That is Six Sigma level. And 2 Sigma level is 308537 in 1 million opportunity. I will have a look, I will show you one table which includes all the Sigma pointers, which includes its numbers. So I'm taking the example of a publishing house company. What is 3 Sigma level? This means that 66807 defects. That means 1.5 misspelled words per page in a book. Per page in a book, this much I'm getting the defects. With 4 Sigma, I'm getting 1 misspelled word per 30 page. Right? I hope you are getting this. It's a very simple point. With 5 Sigma, I'm getting 1 misspelled word instead of encryption. Another one is 6 Sigma, that is 1 misspelled word in all the books in small library. So this is the change. Where 3 Sigma and 6 Sigma, there is a difference of the number of defects. It's only this much, and this is only 3.4. How it is done? First of all, we have a business problem to be catered. Then we turned it out to be a statistical problem, then turned out to be a statistical solution that will turn out to be a business solution. So here, what is the focus of Six Sigma? Focus of Six Sigma shows two different variables. It's showing is effect and causes. We know that if causes are there, the effects must be there. So effects shows Y variable, X shows X variable. So Y is the function of X variable, F is nothing but the function of X variable. So again, simplifying it to the example, this is the cause, this is the effect, sorry, Y getting late into the office. This is the effect. What can be the cause? Many causes must be there. You woke up late, you stuck in traffic, there is a heavy rainfall. So this is how it symbolizes the relationship of Y variable and X variable, presenting 20% of the causes with 80% of the effects. This what it means. So I'm hoping that this is clear. We'll be discussing about the another pointers in a later video. Keep watching. Thank you.